Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Read this one the other day. Haven't used it yet in a coaching session, but I think it may come up. Do your people need to be heard? Do they need help? Or do they need a hug? We're not dealing with machines, at least not yet. We're dealing with people. People who sometimes need hugs, people who sometimes need help, and sometimes people just want to be heard. Do you know the difference when somebody comes to you? I'm not going to let somebody just blabber and waste time without getting to a point, but if I know they just need to be heard, can I take some moments and hear them out? And then can I put a timeout? Let's get to the point, because otherwise, they could talk all day. We know those people. Do some people need help and they're just not asking for it? Are you one who asks for help? Or do you not like to ask for help, even when you need it? How do you know the difference in your people? Do your people just need a hug? Okay, maybe you're not a hugger, and maybe it isn't a physical hug. That may be inappropriate in your situation. But do sometimes people just need you to hold their hand? Physically, literally. I don't know. How do you care for your people? How do you help your people? How do you hear your people? And how do you know the difference so that you can lead in that situation? Which one scares you more? Helping, hearing, or hugging? So many leaders jump to the helping. They're fixers. Don't go there too fast. It may just be your people need to be heard. Or it may be they need a hug. Level up your leadership with this question for today.